Mic check, 1, 2, let's set the tone. Live on cue, yeah, we're in the zone. Q-cast vibe straight to your ear. Raw talk, real life, no smoke, all clear. Two friends just shooting the breeze. When you're going live with your favorites, please. City of two rivers, but more than that. KBO tradition, 2 decades, that's a fact. It's just fun to listen with your fans who can. Send them in via Twitter or text. Now you found the best of the best. I wanna talk about me and you. Hearing conversations so brand new, straight uncut, coming at its purest. In the game, but not trying to break newest. It's hidden track under all the moss, the parts, the merchandising costs from your Bosco or someone walk this way.
gentlemen.
Welcome to Live on Cue, where we talk about people, places, events, and more. Know their stories and understand valuable insights from our selected guests. Listen and watch our live video podcast together with your QCast hosts. Live on Cue, only here on QCast. Team Boss Gio Pares, live on cue. Team Boss Gio Pares. This basketball team will represent Oman in the OFW 7th GCC All Filipino Club Championship 2025. Monday, March 10, 9 p.m. at the UDST in Doha. Only here on QCast. A little bit of overtime tonight, but we're coming to you live from Boss Gio Pares, Qatar. This is Live on Cue, episode 30, together with my co-host, Ting of TikTok Show, and of course, Trixie Lee of Toastmasters. We have a special guests for tonight to represent Team Oman. Let's bring him up on screen. Yes! Palakpak naman dyan. For the OFW 7th GCC Championship. Okay, basketball tournament happening on March 21 to 22, 2025. Let me give the floor to the boys that we have in the house. Introduce yourselves. Sige, sino gusto mauna? Coach,
okay,
go ahead.
good evening po sa lahat ng
Yes.
nakapatnubay, sa lahat po ng nanonood dito sa QCast, and thanks for having us. And napakaganda. RJ Francis ng iyong studio rito, and kasama ko po rito yung representatives, sabi mo nga, ng ating Inter-GCC.
Yes. Ikaw yung pinaka
Oman
bata
representative
dito
po
sa
kami.
batch na to, ah. Sige, let's
I got
introduce
here JC Cruz, Barge De Leon, Camilo Andal, and Denver Rote. Mamaya yung second batch, nandyan din makakausap
Standby
natin yung mga players natin.
Right. Sige. Kumusta naman po kayo? Maybe we can also give the microphone to the rest. Sige. Sagot kayo. Sino si ano? Sino
Sorry.
yun? Sino yung dinidescribe ni
position mo?
Coach?
Hello.
Yes.
Ako po si JC Cruz.
Okay.
One of the youngest player.
The
in
youngest
this
player.
team.
How old
Yeah.
are you?
20.
20.
Ay.
Wow. Okay.
Ang babata.
Mga panahon na yan, nagdodota pa lang ako. And then the other guy to your left, what's your name, buddy?
Barge De Leon
Barge De Leon. Okay.
from Adamson University.
Ay.
Ilan taon ka
talaga?
na?
Ilan taon na?
23 po.
23. Okay. And then
The next
you?
one?
My name po is Camilo Andal.
Camille. Okay.
30 years old po.
Okay.
Role player po ng number 4 po sa
See.
ilalim.
Pag
okay.
number 4, ano yung ano nun? Wingman.
Power forward po.
Power
PF.
forward,
Okay.
yes.
And then you?
Denver Rote po ng
Di mo na alam.
playing as center.
Center. I see. Okay. Kumusta naman yung practice nyo so far? I think you guys
Yes.
just had a practice earlier. And then by the way, for those viewers, especially to those watching in the Philippines, pasensya na po, may konting delay tayo. It's like an hour and a half because we have to find the perfect spot for this
For the team,
podcast.
yeah.
Yes. Unfortunately, medyo hindi maganda. There was a place for us, but it wasn't nice and it wasn't enough to cover everybody
Yes.
in one frame.
And Gio
So
Pares, Boss Gio Pares is the best place
Yes.
right now to have this podcast.
salamat, Boss Gio,
Maraming salamat
for
po,
giving
Boss
us the
Gio.
venue again for tonight. Okay, sige. Balikan natin yung players and of course the coaches to have our questions. So maybe you can go ahead, Miss Ting, first. Go ahead.
Ayun. So for me, ang tanong ko, what does it mean for you to
English
represent?
Go ahead.
Ano ba na?
Ano yung-
Tagalogin.
Di, joke
So,
lang,
ano
joke lang.
ibig,
I think it's okay. I
ano
think-
para sa Taglish na lang. Ano
Yes.
para sa inyo yung feeling? Paano yung feeling na ma-represent nyo yung
Oman.
Bansang
Qatar?
Oman.
Ang Bansang Oman, sorry naman. Bansang Oman. Para sa ating GCC.
Isa pong malaking karangalan po bilang po sa akin at sa aking mga teams na may represent po namin ng Oman.
Okay.
Ito po, patuloy din po kami nag-practice para mabigay po namin yung aming best sa loob ng court. At the same time po, makuha, ang amin po kasing ang target po namin talaga is mag-champion din naman po.
Yes.
Kasi,
Yun talaga ang
lahat po
goal
kami,
natin.
lahat po kami nagtutulungan sa practice.
Good. And then how long have you been practicing together? Ilang buwan na kayo? Ilang weeks na kayo nagpa-practice together
Siguro,
as a group?
magti 3 weeks na rin po. Nung nagsimula kami mag-practice. Until now po.
Galing. Magkakakilala ba kayo?
Yes po.
Sa laro lang.
Sa
Okay.
Yes po.
So, mas maganda rin pala kasi ang
Okay.
dami rin.
Hindi ito ang first time na you coach, hindi sila yung first time na to
magkakasama.
play together as a team.
Some of the players, they've been together playing sa Premier and other league. And some of them just came up together for this tournament. So,
I see.
technically, new team talaga ito, but we're just getting the chemistry of the team. Just right now, I just finished the second game of the tune-up series between the UDST, and I'm very proud that we're not playing that perfect, but we're slowly getting there. We're getting the chemistry of the team, and of course, yung aming execution ng mga plays, slowly na nakukuha namin. So, I think, ito mga batang ito, they are a special kind of talent para sa akin. JC?
Ganda ng sinabi ni Coach.
Oo.
Oh, JC, back to you. Ayun. Ikaw, as a player, ano yung naiaambag mo sa grupo na to?
Siguro po, since I'm one of the youngest, yung energy ko po siguro,
Energy.
yung stamina ko since ako po yung mabilis
Tumakbo.
Ako po yung mabilis tumakbo, ako po yung matagal mapagod. Kaya yun po siguro yung matadala ko sa team, yung bilis po yun, saka yung...
Pwede kang snatcher sa Pinas, no?
Mabilis tumakbo eh.
Hindi, wag kang for the viewers.
Okay, follow up dun sa sinabi ni JC.
Yes.
He is a speed of a point guard. So this team is combination of speed, talent, and of course yung outside shooting namin. So kung makikita nyo, we're a mixture of veteran players together with the rookies na nandito, and the veteran players are here to guide them. And of course, we're preparing them in a long program dahil nga it is a program na hindi lamang po ito isang tournament. We're looking for the long run dito. So maganda na kasama na namin itong mga batang ito sa programa as we develop them through the future tournaments na marami pang pong GCC na ating sasalihan at pagkasasamahan.
Okay.
Very nice.
Since youngest si JC, tama? 20 years old.
Apo.
Ilang taong ka na sa organization na to? How long have you been training with them? Since when?
Under po kay Coach Joel, siguro
Yes.
po mag 2 years na rin
2
po.
years. And how was it?
Na pala ni Coach.
Yeah, how was it so far? Starting from 2 years back.
It was a good progress po. Yeah.
Nice.
From basic skills to having some veteran knowledge.
Yes.
Yun po. From my mga teammates ko rin
Mentors.
po. Opo, mga
Okay.
mentors, mga teammates ko po na may mga experience, mga naglaro po sa collegiate basketball po sa Pinas.
Okay. Speaking of experience, the players here, have you played in any other leagues dito sa Qatar or outside the country, Pilipinas, like probably neighboring countries?
Dito sa
Okay.
Qatar sa Premier League.
Yes, Premier League.
Join din ako
Closer?
ng yung last,
Yun.
yung 6th GCC sa
I
Oman.
see. Oh, okay. I see.
May
6
experience
GCC
din ako.
was matagal na yun, ah.
Bago
It's
na
like 10
sundan.
years ago. Tama ba?
No, na,
Yearly ba talaga tong
No,
ano
no.
na to?
It was
19, I think.
It was halt for a while, and then they resume after a few years. Yes.
Probably because of the pandemic, no?
Yeah. Another other factors as well. So naglaro ka na sa Oman before.
sa Oman.
How is it different playing for Oman right now dito ka sa Qatar?
Syempre dito yung home court advantage
Yes.
kasi doon syempre susuportahan nila yung
Yes.
home team nila.
Home team
So
nila.
iba yung magiging
Atmosphere.
takbo ng laro. Oo.
May dagdag na layer ng pressure, no?
Baga dito, pati yung kumpiyansa.
Yes.
Kung nasa home court ka, mas maganda yung kumpiyansa mo, mas
Okay.
na-enjoy mo yung laro at saka may suporta ka ng mga
Nice.
fans.
Speaking of, since hindi ito yung magiging home court advantage nyo, right? We're talking about the other team, which is the Qatar team as well. And I'm pretty sure sila yung magiging rivalry nyo down the line. Okay? Ano yung mga preparations nyo in anticipating this event in March 21? Mentally, physically, ano yung mga ginagawa nyo at the moment? You can start with Coach perhaps.
Okay, yun nga, gaya nung sinabi mo, technically, we are Filipino-based players,
Yes.
Doha-based player rather, representing Team Oman. So, technically, Oman yung team, but
taga-Qatar
these are
pa
all
rin.
Doha
Yes.
basketball players. So, our families, the friends, the fans, will also root for these
you.
guys because mga taga-Doha naman talaga.
Okay.
But we are representing Oman because technically, yun nga, we are a part of contingency plan. So, bigyan ko muna kayo ng konting brief of history, paano talaga nabuo yung team. It was a contingency plan by Sir Pat and Commissioner Gerald as we are talking about it. I was on the live streaming of PBAC. Ako po yung nag-live stream. Nakita po tayo ron.
Yes, yes.
So, I was covering the games. Then they are telling me, Coach Joel, we have a contingency plan. Can we have one more team aside from Team Qatar kung sakaling merong mag-back out? And I definitely said yes. Napakaraming talent ng Qatar, so why not?
Yeah.
So that's it when I rise to the challenge na I accepted the challenge na sabi ko, kung ipagkakatiwala niyo po sa akin, maybe we can build one more team na magiging part of contingency plan. So yun nga, I think it was only last week na nag-announce si Oman na talagang hindi sila
Baback out sila.
Hindi nila kaya. So Sir Pat and Coach Gerald has been ready with a contingency plan. So ayun nga, us being the contingency backup ay ready for the call of duty. So ito mga batang ito, saludo po ako sa kanila with a short period of time. Yun na, papasok yung tanong mo, the preparation time. Medyo that has been the challenge for us. Kasi pinagkakasya po namin sa limited time. Right now, every other day yung practice. Meron kaming tune-up games, meron kaming practice plan na siguro kung naibigay sa amin ng January pa, medyo mas madali naming ma-execute yung mga plays. Pero yun nga, medyo limited yung in a basketball tournament na napakataas ng level of competition. Napakahirap. Challenge talaga sa amin na execute yung mga ginagawa namin sa practice at yung mga gusto pa naming marating as a team. Pero yun nga, sabi ko sa inyo earlier, this is a special team, special players with special kinds of talent na talagang ang ganda ng pinapakita. Kung napanood nyo po yung tune-up game namin kana sa UDST, with that limited time preparations, I can give them a passing grade na talaga namang napakaganda nung pinapakita nila sa aming team preparations.
Nice. What can you say about it? The coach gave you like a plus rating with your preparation in practice. Ano masasabi niyo doon? Ito mo yung microphone mo. Hindi yan lalapit sa'yo. Yan. Okay. Well, anyway, let me go back to the question again. Ano yung mga preparations nyo mentally and physically? Di ba? Kasi basketball is not just physical, di ba? Mental din yan eh. Ano yung mga ginagawa nyo ngayon? We only have, if I'm not mistaken, 2 weeks.
Yes.
Leading to the event. So ano yung mga ginagawa nyo as a player? Sige, unahin natin si JC.
Ako po muna.
Yes, yes.
Siguro po individually,
May
Dasal
mga
lang.
diet ba kayo? Or may mga sinusunod ba na diet?
Wala po. Siguro po more on
Condition.
putting
Conditioning.
myself into the situation na po siguro. Like
I
mentally preparing like how the situation's gonna be. Preparing my body like everyday workouts. Kahit po,
Nag-jogging ka around Doha right now? For your stamina, mga ganun.
Opo, pwede po.
I see.
Siguro po alkortudokan, mga ganun.
Yeah.
Aray. Sana all.
Ikakat ko lang yung sinasabi ni JC na iniisip niya nandun na siya sa tournament.
Yes.
Doon po pumapasok yung tune-up game. Kasi lagi kong sinasabi sa kanila, isipin ninyo itong tune-up game na to ay yung game natin sa March 21.
Yes, that's true.
So seryosohin nyo itong game na to kasi ito yung gagawin natin come March 21. Yun po yung mental preparation na sinasabi ni JC. Tuloy mo, JC.
Okay.
Kasi po, yung mga workouts, everyday workouts, may sarili po ako like going to gym, skills training, individual training, saka may individual practicing po ako from the club.
I see.
After from the club, then practice po with the Boss G team.
I see. Okay. Then, next.
As a team naman po, we are preparing, kagaya po ng sabi ni Coach na during practice, we need to focus na nga po makinig sa mga plays and we, as much as possible, we try to execute each play during tune-up po. And as individual naman po, pinapanatili ko po kondisyon yung sarili ko, like more on cardio kasi alam po natin na more on takbuhan.
Yeah,
po
takbuhan.
Takbuhan,
Yes.
oo.
Yes.
sa laro po. Ayan.
Okay. All right. Next.
Yun naman po sa akin po kasi hindi po ako nakakapag-prepare ng ganong practice kasi dahil po ng trabaho. Pero hanggat maaari, kung may oras po, nakakasingit naman po ng practice. Pag wala po kaming practice kay coach, may mga outside league din naman po kami nalaruan. So, doon na din po namin na-convert yung
I see.
additional na
Okay.
practice.
Doon yun nilalagay yung energy mo. Para
Yes po.
doon.
Oo,
Okay.
doon na po.
Alright. Next.
Mahirap yung magiging preparation kasi 2 araw lang yung magiging tournament. So, ang mangyayari, may game ka ng morning, kakaroon ka ng game ng tanghali, and then maybe later on at night, maglalaro ka ulit. So, kailangan yung katawan mo, tsaka yung mental health mo talagang ano. Kasi, alimbawa,
Condition.
naglaro ka
Matibay.
sa umaga, tinamaan ka, nasiko ka, natuhod ka. Pagdating
Pwedeng
ng
mangyari
tanghali,
talaga.
Yes.
pwede mangyari yun. So, kailangan ready ka. sa
Others
mga-
may have no idea, but I also play the game. That's why I know how stressful it is.
Yes, it is.
Yung banggaan sa area, akala mo wala lang yan. Pag bumagsak ka sa semento, nako, iintahin mo yan buong umaga. Like, even for the next 3 days, di ba? So,
Totoo.
ganun
Tsaka yung sakit
ka-intense.
sa katawan afterwards.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pwede ka pang lagnatin doon.
Oo, no. Mahirap kapag kalagitnaan ng araw.
And
So
sana.
far, palagay ninyo, sino ang pinaka-tightest
Ayan
na makakalaban ninyo among all the GCC teams
Gusto ko
na
yung tanong na to.
pinaghahandaan nyo talaga?
Si Coach Joel na po mga kasagot.
Yes, Coach. Sa palagay
Yes.
mo, sino ang dapat paghandaan talaga this coming
Actually, that was a good question, pero yun nga, we take it one game at a time, ano? Hindi muna namin tinitingnan kung sino yung dito yung malakas, ito yung kaya, ito yung dapat pagandaan. We treat every game as a serious threat, and we will take it one game at a time.
game at a
time.
So, isang game muna. We'll take Bahrain. Bahrain will give us a tough assignment. We'll beat Bahrain. We'll try to beat them with our game plan. So, we're just trying to keep the game, one game at a time, then move on. After we take the first assignment, they will take on Team Qatar. So we'll see from there. So sinasabi ko nga sa aking mga players na we'll take it one game at a time muna. Hindi pwedeng mag-isip tayo na malakas yung Qatar, gusto kong talunin yung Qatar. No, we'll get to Bahrain, we'll get past Bahrain, then we'll get from there, we'll see what we can do, the adjustments we can do for the game 2 against Team Qatar, then we'll see from there. Kung makakuha kami ng semifinals, then we will be ready for Sunday para maghintay na lamang kung sino yung mananalo doon sa quarterfinals. But yun nga, every team, every country is a contender, and they are all a threat. All of them are a tough opponent, so we'll just be going there, bring our A game, every game of a time, one game at a time lamang po sa amin.
Nice.
I agree with
Ang ganda.
Coach
Yes,
kasi
totoo.
you can never overlook any opponent Dapat 'di ba? Dapat you have to do your best with whom you are facing at the
Yes,
moment.
we
Di
cannot
pwedeng-
underestimate
Yes, never underestimate an
This is
enemy,
going to be like
an opponent rather, not an
single
enemy.
round robin.
Kasi kung titignan niyo po yung format ng tournament, we cannot afford to lose a game. Kasi pag natalo kami ng isang game, kailangan namin pumasok dun sa butas ng quarterfinals. Not unlike na kung manalo kami sa dalawang assignment namin, we'll be waiting for the semifinals, and we will have the boys rest up for the whole day kasi hindi na kami maglalaro sa hapon, hindi kami maglalaro sa umaga, hapon na nung Sabado. So that's our main goal right now, okay? Win the first 2 assignments, then have a good one-day rest, then bibigyan namin sa semifinal. So, one game at a time lang po muna.
Yes, napaka-intense ni Coach, no?
Kaya-
Ay, paglaban natin ang bansang Oman sa ligang to.
I love the
And I like the spirit and the
Yes.
energy. You know, that's how the team is being driven, diba? To do their best once they're on that big stage. Eto, sabihin natin, the 7th GCC OFW sa GCC basketball tournament. Para sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, isa ito sa mga prestigyoso. Tama ba Tagalog?
Prestigious. Prestigious. Ang hirap magtagalog.
Prestigious
Tama
event
naman.
in the Middle East. We're in all the best basketball players from the Middle East will come together in one place. This time it will be in Qatar, and then that's where they showcase their skills and their talents in the basketball field. So yun po. So yung mga hindi pa nakakaalam ng dates, it will be on March 21 until 22nd.
Saan ang
Tama ba?
location?
21 and 22.
Na-confuse ako bigla. Ako yung gumawa ng ad. Nakalimutan.
Tama.
Yes, and it will be at the
Garapa Sports Club.
Garapa Sports
Garapa.
Club. Okay.
Alright.
This will be a free event. Tama ba, Coach?
I think meron
May
5 real na entrance,
I see.
pero for the whole day na po yun.
I see.
Okay,
May,
nice.
okay, that's nice. That's nice. So, libre po yung entrance.
Yes.
May bayad po yung exit.
Lima lang.
5 lang, hindi kayo makakalabas
In short, may entrance fee po, okay? And then you'll get to know more details about it. We'll be posting about it on our Facebook page. It's just Stay Put. And of course, you can also find updates from the PBAC page, which is
Yes.
managed by Qatar Basketball Federation. And of course, may mga personal pages naman kayo, di ba? For sure. For those following you, they can at least get an idea.
Yeah.
Kung kailan. Okay. Anything else? Pixie and Ting.
So
Anything
how do
else?
you handle pressure sa
Wait.
this upcoming game? So syempre, 'di ba, knowing that you guys are coming from Qatar and you are representing Oman, ano yung mga pressure na nararamdaman ninyo towards the upcoming games?
Yes.
Bukod sa pressure nung mga nakakalaro din namin dito sa Qatar, may pressure din na yung mga players ng Oman. Kasi, like I said, naglaro ako sa Oman. So,
Kilala siya
may
dun.
mga
Kilala
naging
mo na.
friends- May mga naging friends kami doon na mga
Yes.
players din. So, sila,
But they are supportive.
Yeah.
they're supportive. Gusto rin nila maglaro, however, because of whatever issue. So, din yung pressure na, uy, galingan nyo kasi dala-dala nyo yung Oman
Yes,
eh.
oo.
Kung
Do you
saan-
think
saan-
it's,
saan bansa sila
I'm sorry, to
nakabase.
cut you up. Do you think it's a good advantage na kilala mo yung opponent mo?
Oo,
Alam mo na yung laro niya
kasi
before?
alam mo
Yeah?
na yung gagawin mo, alam mo yung preparation na.
That's called scouting.
Yeah, scouting.
Scouting na.
And I have to correlate that because you asked the question earlier about who they find the
the
toughest
toughest,
competition.
yeah.
So they really did some scouting. For sure, meron nang nasa radar to si coach na nakikita niya, itong grupong to, medyo matibay to. I'm pretty sure you have like a different kind of preparation for those.
Meron
diba?
tayong game plan sa
Yes.
bawat team na
Yes.
kaharapin natin.
Yes, confidential naman yung game plan, coach, no? Pero talagang pinaghandaan nyo na to, na-identify nyo na kung sino yung mga dapat bantayan talaga sa loob ng court. Tama?
Yes, going to your question, yung sa mo pinaghandaan, let me tell you a short story kung paano kami namin pinaghandaan. It all started with the 20 pool players. 20 po yan, yung pool players namin. So, nagkaroon po kami ng tryouts. Then, as we go along to the practice, to the tune-up, so, nakita nyo na po, yung pinost namin na final 12. It was down to 12, pero 15 po yung official lineup. But we can activate 12 players 3 days before the tournament. So, yun yung FIBA rules. So,
I see.
going through that preparation, dun papasok kung sino yung i-activate kong 12, depende sa kakaharapin namin dun sa aming schedule, dun sa Bahrain versus Qatar. So, I will see from there kung sino yung sa 15 players na yan, who is the best fit na 12 na players na
Also right
aming
now
gagamitin.
you're still
Yes.
trimming
So yun
down.
nga po yung
I see.
preparation namin ay hanggang ngayon yung 15 players po na yan na nasa pool players namin. We are 15 strong with 12 players ready to play come March 21.
Wow, it's exciting. Okay. Wow. Anything else, Ting or Trixie? Ano? Sige, tanungin nyo. Nag-hold back ka ba?
Hindi, wala lang.
Ah,
Kasi
okay.
sinabi na ni coach na pinag-aaralan din nila
Yes.
yung mga
Scouting.
ibang scouting
Yes.
sila. So, sa tingin nyo, ano naman yung pinaka-biggest strength nyo as
Advantage.
a team? Since nagsa-scout na nga kayo and
Yes.
all.
Ano yung advantage
Nyo,
Yes.
strengths.
Siguro po other than the skills and the conditioning yung samahan po namin mga players.
Solid na.
Opo, yun rin po yung
Brotherhood.
isang foundation para siguro makalamang sa mga teams. Yung foundation and relationship po between one another with the coaches, with the players. Yun po.
Kasi Francis, 'di ba, kapag team kayo, it doesn't end after the training.
Yes.
True.
Pag banded kayo outside the court,
Basketball court.
tendency is magkakaamuyan na kayo sa loob ng court. Alam nyo na kung paano.
Papalitan ng brief.
Yes.
Mga ganun.
Naghihiraman ng deodorant, gano'n.
Pero
Pagdagdag ako dun sa sinabi ni JC, he was telling the chemistry of the team.
Yes.
Yan po
Maganda.
kasi hindi po namin na ituturo as coaches. Yan po ay nade-develop ng isang team. So sabi ko nga, the biggest challenge has been how do you prepare a team in a 1-month notice. So in the 30 days preparation, ganun kabilis na kailangan ma-develop namin yung chemistry. At yun nga, na makabisado namin lahat ng gusto namin gawin. But yun nga, as JC is saying, very well said JC, ay yung chemistry ng team, yun, yung sa tingin ko ay isang pwede naming sandalan kasi right now, we're slowly getting to that chemistry of the team.
All right, perfect. Okay, sige, let's give way for some of your shoutouts before we take a break, and then we'll proceed with the next batch of Team Oman. So go ahead, sino yung mga gusto niyo i-shoutout? Madami dito nag-comment actually, but
Yes,
we'll go to
oo.
that part. Kayo muna, sino yung mga gusto niyo
Mga gusto
i-shoutout?
niyong batiin.
Batiin.
Shoutout lang sa mga katrabaho ko dyan sa
Yun.
mall. Nanonood sila.
Yes.
Walang mga pangalan.
Yeah, yun. Mga kasama ko rito sa
Anong
Qatar.
mall? Mall ba sabi mo?
Doha Festival
Ah,
City.
Doha
Yun!
DFC.
Team DFC, hello, hello.
Bukas
Team
pa sila
DFC,
hanggang
Paul
ngayon.
DFC.
Yan.
Oh, ayan.
Alright.
FNB at saka yung Team Faithful.
Ay.
Faithful.
Ah,
So, yun yung naging na buong pangalan ng team.
Linawin mo, madaming digo dito. Madaming sawi.
Paul.
And then, ikaw, sir.
Yun nga po, binabati ko po yung unang-una po, Gio Pares po sa aming
Yes.
sponsor. Wala pong sawang sumusuporta po sa amin
Yes.
sa inside and outside the court po.
Yes.
And also po, nagpapasalamat po ako sa boss ko sa company, sa Maze, si Boss Carlo Querejero at saka kay Boss LDG. Sa
Okay.
misis ko po sa Pilipinas.
Yung misis mo dito.
Yes po, wala po ako dito. Sa Pilipinas lang po, I love you.
Joke
Ay, tayo
lang.
yata.
Next. Ikaw.
Ano lang po, shoutout lang po sa family ko, sa parents ko, and sa family ko po sa Pinas, and sa girlfriend ko po. And
Hey, pangalanan naman natin yon.
Bea po, Bea. Tapos sa friends ko po, sa One Time Big Time, yung group friends po na.
I see.
Yun.
Okay.
JC?
Ano po, may listahan po ako na.
Ayan. Actually, sa kotse pa lang, ready na siya eh. Nag-uusap kami sa likod eh. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
Hindi naman
First and
handa.
foremost po sa, syempre kay coach,
Mhm.
sa mga teammates po, sa sponsors, yun po sa mga kaibigan ko po sa Pinas, kina Ezekiel, kay Mark, and sa skills trainer ko po kay Coach Gab, and sa mga family friends po, sa Gonzalez family, Camia family, and yung family ko po sa Marikina. And yung family ko po dito, sina Daddy, sina Rain, Sky, and my mother.
Oh,
Yun
okay.
po.
Alright. Coach, go
Okay,
Coach.
unang-una, thank Almighty God. Maraming pong salamat sa amang nasa itaas. At wala naman po tayo lahat dito kung hindi po dahil sa ama na ating nasa itaas. So, thank you Lord God sa pagbuo ng team na ito. At syempre kay Boss Gio Pares na responded to the challenge, ano? So short notice din 'yan na si Boss Gio, pero hindi kami nagdalawang salta. I remember during a meeting with him, hindi siya nagdalawang salta, talagang dalawang isip, talagang rising
Go
to
lang.
the challenge. So talagang sabi niya, coach, laban tayo. And Maharlika Park Restaurant, and I think Bread and Butter, minor sponsor Classic Style, and yung tapsilogan ni Sir Jay na nanonood kanina. And of course, I would like to say thank you to Sir Mel Cruz, isa sa mga man behind the camera yan, man behind the team na sumusuporta sa team si Sir Mel. And gusto kong pasalamatan, special mention, as I mentioned earlier, 20 yung pool players ko. So, papasalamatan ko sila, Mark Lee Parico, who has been good in the team preparations, Ralph Medalla, na nakasama rin namin ng tryouts, Paula Cabado, he has been a very good player, but yun nga, nag-uusap kami, naintindihan naman niya, maybe in the future, Paul, salamat. And ito nga si Benji Labitoria na kasama rin namin dun sa preparations. And sa lahat ng players na nagsakripisyo, na nagbigay ng oras, nagbigay ng kanilang puso sa ball game.
Yes.
Maraming salamat all the players. Credit to all the players. Yung sinasabi ko, remember this day. Alalahanin nyo yung araw, all the sacrifices, all the sweat, all the missed shots, all the challenges that you're facing. Come game time, ilalabas natin kung ano man yung kaya nating ipakita sa Inter-GCC. March 21, manood po tayo lahat. Salamat.
Yes! Wala ba kayong mga kamay? By the way, we have some visitors here at Boss Gio. Oh, go ahead.
May
Ben.
nagpapatagdag lang po ng
Sige,
shoutout.
go ahead.
Mga taga-Oman po, nanonood din po
Ay, ay.
Sa inyo dyan, gagawin namin yung best namin para maging maganda yung resulta ng
Yun.
Same time lang tayo
Yes
sa
po,
Oman.
and also po Kuwait.
Nanonood sila.
Isang player po ng GCC, si Mehdi.
Alright.
Yes.
Mehdi, galingan mo.
Hello, Oman. Baka naman, baka rakating kami dyan.
Yeah, but Oman is really a nice place. Madami
Yes.
silang mga greens and
Yes,
rivers,
oo,
diba?
that's what I heard.
Okay. Alright, best of luck to you guys.
Okay, thank you. Maraming salamat, Boss Gio, and more power, QCAS. Salamat.
Alright, no
salamat.
problem. We'll take a quick break and you guys stay where you are.
take a break. We'll be right back.
Say good morning. What do you have there?
Lettuce.
And how do we make the lettuce? Through?
Hydroponics.
Wow! Show them. Can you show them the roots? One by one? Okay, how about you, Ate? How much more? Get more? Before going to school, we visit our small plantation of hydroponics. Look at the lettuce.
25 days later.
Hi guys, welcome to our lettuce farm.
So, what do we have today?
Lettuce.
Wow, can you show them the roots? Oh, that's so huge. So, how did you plant them? Through
Hydroponics.
hydroponics. Can you show them more? That's our vertical farm. That's our vertical setup. Show them also closer.
This one.
There you go. Can you invite them?
Yeah.
Okay.
Join us.
Join us here at our lettuce farm here at Adaya's Garden. Bye now.
Bye.
Paano i-download ang Tinbo app? I-scan ang Tinbo QR code ng SGE Events. Pagkatapos ma-scan at mag-load ang page, i-click ang Install button. Pagkatapos ma-install ang app, i-open ito sa inyong phone. I-register ang mobile number mo dito sa Qatar at gumawa ng password. Pwedeng pumili kung via Google, Facebook, or mobile number para mag-proceed. Para sa demo na ito, pipiliin natin ang Continue with Google. Ituloy ang registration at i-fill out lahat ng impormasyon na kailangan, gaya ng pangalan, mobile number, email address at password. I-type ulit ang password. I-check ang box ng acknowledgement at i-click ang Proceed. Makakatanggap ka ng one-time password or OTP sa email na ginamit sa pag-register. I-check ang inbox or sa spam message section ng inyong email ang OTP. Paalala, may mga issues pa na hindi natatanggap ang OTP. Kung sakaling ang OTP ay hindi matanggap, i-report po ito sa Tinbo team. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat!
After 9 years, the 7th All-Filipino Club Basketball Championship will once again be witnessed by basketball enthusiasts from the Gulf region. The OFW 7th GCC All-Filipino Club Championship 2025. OFW 7th GCC All-Filipino Club Championship 2025. Men's Division, Open League, Overseas Filipino residents in the GCC, March 21 to 22, 2025 in Doha, Qatar. See you there. Team Boss Gio Pares, live on cue. Team Boss Gio Pares. This basketball team will represent Oman in the OFW 7th GCC All-Filipino Club Championship 2025. Monday, March 10, 9 p.m. at the UDST in Doha. Only here on QCast.
Hey, back here in live on Q. 11:08 in the nighttime is our time, and then we have our second batch for to our Team Oman right here at Boss Gio Pares. I was about to say UDST. Again, we changed location here. Dito po tayo ngayon sa Boss Gio Pares in continuation of our podcast together with our Team Oman representing Boss Gio Pares Qatar. Let's have our new set of guests. Sige, pakilala natin isa-isa. Sir, pakigamit ng microphone yan.
Yes, at
Pakilala
ano
po kayo.
yung position ninyo sa team?
Yes. Okay, go.
Hello, my name is Mr. Andrew Salud.
Yes.
I'm a
Pasok ka konti, sir. Hindi ka makita sa frame. Yan.
Yan.
Okay. Ang haba kasi.
center of our team.
Center of attraction.
Yeah, center of attraction.
Okay. Center. Anong height mo, sir?
6'4".
6'4". Wow. Hey. Palahi ka, pararamihan mo.
Kung meron.
Sanjo Marudo yan. Sanjo Marudo ng Qatar, Sanjo Marudo.
Sanjo Marudo. O nga, ano, may resemblance. Yeah.
Why not?
Hindi pa dumarating si Wendy eh.
Okay. And then, sir, beside you. Sige, ayun, gumagana po yung isa. Gumagana. Tig-isa kayo.
My name is Ryan Kalimpong.
Ryan.
And I'm playing shooting guard.
Shooting guard. Okay.
And small forward.
Small forward. All right, next, sir.
Coach Mike, assistant coach ni...
Assistant coach, Coach Mike. Okay. And then, sir?
Ivan Mercader po, point guard, shooting guard.
Point guard, shooting guard.
Wow.
Alright. Akala ko yung katabi niya, sir, parang manager eh. Mukhang manager yung tsura eh. Parang may-ari ng mga 10 salon dito sa Doha.
Actually, 3 lang.
walang laglagan, coach.
Sorry.
Okay. Alright, let's go back to our discussion. It's really a fun evening. By the way, maraming salamat po sa mga nanonood ngayong oras. I'm pretty sure sa ibang lugar sa atin sa Pilipinas, it's really late right now. It's around 3 a.m., 4 a.m. ba?
Yes.
Maraming salamat for joining us and supporting our Team Oman live here on Live on Q. And of course, we have so many questions na tatanong pa sa'yo. So, let me continue first. Ting, ikaw na muna.
Ayun, ako naman.
Yes.
Ako naman.
Spotlight.
Yan.
Yes.
Ano sa tingin nyo yung mga challenges as of now na na-encounter nyo bilang isang team?
Yes.
And how did you handle it?
Yeah.
So, I think nasagot ko kanina yung challenges, pero sige, good question, ma'am. The challenges, yung pinakamalaking challenge nga, yung preparation. Kasi,
1 month.
Yun.
Really hard.
Napakahirap pagkasyahin
Yes.
sa limited time, especially on a high-level competition na tournament na katulad nito, napakahirap po.
Correct.
Sa part namin, imagine we are practicing every other night. So, minsan nga talagang masakit pa yung likod o yung paa ng player, pero we need to run the practices. So, ganun po katindi yung dinadaan ng training ng mga bata. And of course, the series of tune-up game, we just finished the second game of a 2-game series of tune-up game against the Young Guns na UDST. So, credit to all the players na talaga namang walang sawa, na walang kapagod-pagod na pupunta po sa ensayo at hanga po talaga ako sa determination nila at yung sa kanilang dedication sa team.
Yes. Okay, bilang atleta, I have a question. Bakit nyo piniling mag-basketball? Bakit of all sports? Bakit basketball? Kay sir, obviously, dahil sa height niya, di ba? Alam mo, billiard siya, di ba? Hindi niya kailangan ng plangketa doon. Bakit pinili niyo yung basketball? What is so special about the sports?
Para sa akin na dati hindi kasi ako naglalaro eh.
I see. Kailan ka lang nag-start maglaro? Kahapon lang?
Kanina lang.
Late bloomer.
Parang kanina lang.
Late bloomer.
Mga high school, gano'n?
High school. Tapos
okay.
ayun, nakita lang ako ng classmate ko na
I see.
laki mong paningkit. Sabi mo.
Uy, tangkad mo laro ka dito.
Sabi niya, sama ka sa amin minsan maglaro, gano'n.
I see.
During high school.
High school. Siguro nagka-cutting class ka din.
Sigurado yun.
Tambay sport, no?
Nagbunga naman. Okay. Pero yeah, those are like, ano tawag dito, young and stupid years.
Yes, oo.
Pinagdaanan mo natin lahat yan. Okay, si sir, bakit po basketball?
Actually, lahat ng mga kababata ko, we all played basketball.
I see.
And then, before, naglalaro kami kahit mainit, kahit walang bubong yung court, nakatelas, ganun. So, and then, na-fall in love na ako sa game.
Yeah.
And it helps me also, makapag-aral.
Yes.
Nakapasok sa school, na scholarship. So, malaking bagay din.
Malaking bagay.
You know what? I have to attest to what he says kasi when I was also playing during my younger years, ice water lang, di ba?
Oo.
Ice water lang yung mga pustahan namin.
Ay, kami RC Cola na.
Ay, wow. But we really
level up kami.
But we really give our best on the court.
Totoo.
Parang dahil lang doon, kailangan mong talagang
Para sa ice tubig,
makipagbakbakan.
no?
Yeah, that's how passionate we are Filipinos in terms of basketball. Si Sir naman, si Coach. Sir, bakit yung pagiging coach ng isang basketball team ang pinili mo? Bakit hindi yung volleyball or football? Di ba? Nasa Middle East tayo eh. Is it also one of your sports?
Sa Pilipinas kasi, ang number one sports natin, basketball.
Yes. Yeah. Mahal na mga Pilipino, no?
Kahit saan ka pumunta kahit saan sulok ng Pilipinas.
Okay. Tama,
Number one
tama.
sport talagang basketball.
Yes. Okay. And the person to your right,
Si
bakit
Jay
ka
Perez.
nagtatagalog?
Si Jay Perez nandoon.
Si Jay Perez nandoon.
So, yun din po, yung sa Pinas nga po, yung number one sports is basketball. So, yun nga lang, di ako nabiyayaan ng tangkad. So, kailangan ko gamitin yung utak ko kung paano ako maglalaro sa loob. Kaya napamahal ako sa basketball kasi, yun, parang, alam ko sa sarili ko na kaya ko na kahit na matangkad sila.
Since you brought it up, the height, di ba? Kasi sabi nga nila, height is might. Ano yung tingin mo, bakit andito kayo sa ligang to, kahit ganyan yung height nyo? Ang hirap ng Tagalog ko eh.
Hindi ganun
English. Okay, go ahead. Bakit? Why do you deserve to be in this platform knowing that we don't have that height advantage? So, yun.
Yun pala yun. Yun lang,
Yes, right.
ganon.
Yes, sir.
Because of the passion of the game.
Passion
yung
of
puso
the game.
natin, hindi matatawaran yung puso na sa Pilipino na lumalaban para sa sport na mahal natin lahat.
And you know, kasi Francis, no? During my time, I also played for some basketball games.
Talaga?
Tinitingnan din ng mga coaches is kung smart player yung tao.
Yes,
So,
that's
marunong
true.
pumwesto,
Diskarte.
alam nila kung
Yeah.
saan ang pasa ng bola,
Correct.
magaling sa layup, or pag pumwesto, alam nila na sharpshooter na talaga. So, I think yun din yung mga advantage ng hindi nabigyan masyado ng height, but there are really smart players.
Yes, smart players. Indeed. Kasi hindi naman porke matatangkad, magaling na. Diba? Usually, may mga kilala din ako na matatangkad, pero hindi sila active, hindi sila athletic, right? Hindi nga makatalon yung iba eh.
Diba? Sa Philippine
Ganito
team
yung
nga
talon,
natin,
no?
diba? Garino na lang yung talon. No? Sa
Diba?
Philippine team, diba? Sino ba yung
Yes.
maliit na player natin na sobrang mabilis
CJ?
talaga siya?
CJ.
Johnny Abarientos.
Si Abarientos.
Abarientos.
Johnny
Okay. That was like old school. Ang inisip ko si the
Kaya
new
naman
one.
ako,
Panahon ngayon,
hindi
si
na
The Blur,
naisip.
Jason Castro.
Jason Castro is
Jason
also
Castro,
one
yes.
of the best point guards
Nung nasa
in
UE
Asia.
ako si Artadi, hindi naman siya
Artadi.
katangkaran, but he's really fast.
Yeah, that's right. Okay. Anyway, anything else? Any questions?
Speaking of that, sinong
Yeah.
mga iniidolo nyo personally sa
Yes.
basketball?
Sino yung mga
Sa mga
ina-idolize nyo?
ina-idolize nyo?
Ayan. Sige, kahit sino. Lahat kayo may mic. Walang mag-aagawan. Okay.
Yun, yung mentality lang po ni Kobe.
Kobe
Wow,
Bryant.
Kobe Bryant.
Mamba.
Yes.
May he
Ako,
live forever.
Iverson.
Yes.
Gusto ko yung mga braids ni
Yes.
Iverson.
Yeah.
Actually, marami. Jordan,
Michael Jordan.
Kobe.
Okay, Kobe Bryant.
and appreciate mo rin yung game ng iba like Luka,
Luka Doncic.
mga bago ngayon,
Yes.
SGA. Actually, marami kang ma-appreciate na iba-ibang style ng game nila eh.
Yes. About you, sir?
Anong kapanahunan ko?
Hindi ka
Hindi ka
nag-isa.
pa naman ganun katanda.
International si Chris Webber.
Di ba sabi mo si Bog sa
Kasi
Tornado?
talagang siya.
Tingnan mo na. Chris
Palayo na
Webber.
palayo.
Anong team siya nag-retire? Anong team siya nag-retire?
Hindi, sa
Kings.
Sa Kings ba?
Sacramento Kings.
Yeah, Sacramento Kings. Yeah, Chris Webber is actually one of the best, I would say, players sa NBA dati. Yeah, para siyang si KG before, no? Before si KG pumasok sa liga. Okay, speaking of, since na-brought up nyo yung mga idol nyo, sino sa tingin nyo yung mga basketball player na ini-emulate nyo yung galaw? Yung parang, ako to, this is the Kobe move, mga ganun. Sino yung tingin mo, kinokopya mo as a player?
Ray Solomon.
Papa Ray.
Taka muna, sino ba yun?
Si Sir Ray Solomon.
Dapat sa'yo, dito ka, ikaw pa yung nainidolo eh. Ay, sino? Seryoso, sino? Apart kay Ray Solomon. Sino? Ikaw muna, sir.
Ray Solomon pa rin eh. Yung mga
Mukhang malupit
1,000
maglaro to si
moves
Sir
niya.
Ray.
1,000 moves.
Aabangan talaga to sa
Veteran
GCC
moves,
Cup.
Ikaw, sir.
Ray Solomon din.
Pumunta pa kayo sa NBA, may Ray Solomon.
Idol ng bayan.
Mukhang nakaka-excite to. Parang gusto kong makita tuloy yung maglaro si Sir Ray Solomon eh. Okay. Exciting to, no?
Kakaway ka lang.
Yes. Ay, maraming salamat pala sa mga kapamilya nyo, mga kaibigan nandito ngayon, supporting you guys.
Nandito pa rin.
Thank you po.
And once again kay Boss Gio, isang tawag lang. Oh, punta kayo dito. Sige, dito na.
no?
Yeah, walang
Madaling kausap,
Thank you po, Boss Gio. Thank you.
Yes, walang kaabog-abog. Madami po tayong mga shoutout dito. Before we go there, I have another question for all of you, okay? Since nasa Qatar tayo, ano yung pagkakaiba ng maglaro dito compared sa paglalaro nyo? For sure, iba sa inyo naglaro sa Pinas, diba? Ano yung pagkakaiba niya in terms of atmosphere, mga tao, crowd? Anong pagkakaiba niya na andito nga ngayon sa Qatar tapos compared sa maglalaro kayo sa Pinas? Sige, kahit sino.
Ikaw na yun.
Yung mga yung mga matagal na talaga naglalaro. Kayo,
Yes.
sir, yung first two. Ano pinagkaiba?
Bloomer po ako eh.
Pareho lang.
Parehas lang.
Joke.
Pareho lang, walang pagkakaiba.
I think ang question is, does it mean anything else now being an OFW
Yeah.
and as a player?
Yes.
Yeah, kasi dito, di ba, once you're working abroad, malayo ka sa pamilya niyo mo. Sa Pilipinas, somehow, when you play on the court, andyan yung mga close friends mo eh.
Oh.
They are cheering for you. Right now, you may have small circles here, yung mga small circles, yung mga kaibigan, kapamilya. But nonetheless, everything else is a stranger.
Oo, yung mga
Di tayo-
nanonood.
We may have like a
Okay,
200,000
siguro yung
fans.
crowd lang yung nagkaiba. Kasi sa Pilipinas, kahit yung simpleng
Sa baranggayan
liga lang,
lang,
puno
diba?
yan eh.
Yes.
Dito, hindi masyado yung
Tsaka
crowd na
less yung
manonood.
time mo eh.
Less yung time,
Basketball.
totoo.
Kulang yung time para sa preparation mo every games.
Naiiba ba
trabaho
yung
eh.
motivation?
Nahahati sa trabaho.
Nasa trabaho talaga eh.
I see. Especially yung mga working people here.
Oo,
Kasi yung mga estudyante, I think they're 100% focused on the game, di ba?
Oo, tama.
Bakasyon na ba kayo? Tama ba? Di
Bakasyon
no?
na ba yung mga
Estudyante?
students?
Yung mga
Hindi pa.
estudyante, hindi pa.
Hindi
Wala pa.
Sa
I
Eid pa
see.
siguro.
I see.
Yes.
Okay. Anything else?
Well, ang question ko, since mga OFW tayong lahat, so ano sa palagay ninyo yung maibibigay ninyong inspiration sa fellow OFWs natin dito sa Qatar?
Okay, inspiration.
Ang pinaka-inspirasyon talaga na may bibigay ng basketball sa Filipino basketball community ay yung pagkakaisa.
Yes.
Yung, kumbaga, you play as a team.
Yes.
Yung camaraderie, yung brotherhood, sabi ko nga, bonus na yung manalo eh. So we'll just go there, play the game, play with our best. If we win, then thank you. If we lose, then it's
Move
all
on.
part of the game.
Learn from it.
At the end of the
Yes.
day, OFW tayo pare-pareho eh.
Correct,
So
correct.
I think yun yung gusto nyong makuha na sagot na camaraderie pa rin sa kayong samahan. Yun ang mahalaga sa paglaro natin ng basketball.
And hopefully, walang ma-injury sa inyo. Kahit dito sa group no to or anyone else.
We don't wish that.
Yes, we don't wish that to happen to anybody kahit na dayo or hindi dito sa Qatar, di ba? We want to make sure that all of you are healthy pagdating ng event, pagkatapos ng event, prior to the event, para naman ma-enjoy ng ating mga kababayan. It's the 9th time na ginawa to sa GCC. Sino sa inyo yung kasama sa last batch ng ikaw, kayong dalawa? How was it? Kumusta yung mga panahon na yon? microphone. Yeah, kasi ikaw yung na-experience mo na yun, di ba?
Nag-champion kayo.
Yes, na-experience mo na yun. And what team were you representing during those time?
Madami, no?
Sa
Yes.
Oman or
Yes.
Naglaro ka na sa Oman.
Yeah. Kumusta nung panahon na yun? Ano yung atmosphere?
Dati mas madaming nanonood
Nanonood.
kasi that time konti pa yung mga
Liga. Oo nga, tama.
Walang ibang libangan yung mga tao. Ganun.
Ngayon madami.
Ngayon madami na.
Madami na.
Madaming liga.
Wala pang TV ng mga panahon na yun.
Meron.
Wala ibang libangan.
Wala pang Netflix
Black and white pa yung TV na.
Oh my God.
Grabe naman. How about you, sir? Ikaw?
Yeah, actually, yung last lang sa Oman. So,
Yes.
it was fun. And then, blessed ka rin kasi you get to play the game you love.
Yes.
And then, you get to travel as well and then explore the city.
Yes.
So, and then you meet
Ayun
those
yung perks
players.
nun,
And,
no?
kaya lang, ilang teams lang kami nun eh. So, but we're still happy na nanalo kami dun.
Okay, speaking of, kasi right now I don't have the actual data or the count. Ilan po ba yung talagang sasali for the 7th time ng GCC?
Kasama po kami 6.
Okay,
So,
so
6
that's
participating countries.
Qatar, Oman,
Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia, Bahrain,
and then
Qatar, and UAE.
UAE.
okay.
I'm missing one.
Kuwait.
Kuwait.
yes.
I see. So may yung mga neighboring countries lang talaga, no?
Yes.
Okay. May naiwan ba? Wala naman sa Middle East region.
Na hindi naka-join?
sumami. Abu Dhabi.
UAE is
UAE
joining.
na kasi yun na yun.
Isa na yun.
Yes.
Actually, maganda pa yung question nyo. May naiwan ba? Abu Dhabi was ready na maging part ng contingency. Pero yun nga, logistics-wise, meron na tayong mga Qatar players na ready. Doha-based players eh. So, the wise decision will be for the LOC, Local Organizing Committee, is to tap the services of the contingency team na doon nga kami pumasok.
Doon kayo pumasok.
Otherwise, naka-ready din po yung yung Abu Dhabi
see.
to represent kung sino man yung pwedeng magbaback out sa end. So yun nga.
Papaalala ko lang, sir, 500 real yan.
Isang piraso.
Sa may exit.
All right. Well, we wish the best of you guys playing for the tournament this March 21. And hopefully talaga walang maging
Aberya.
Yes. Naglalabo-labo na yung
Naglalabo-labo.
Dixie, go ahead.
Yeah, so yun lang naman. We don't have much questions, but what is your message sa mga supporters at kabayan natin na nanonood ngayon at manonood pa?
Yes.
Guys, supportan niyo po yung Liga sa 21 and 22. It's very
Algarapa.
Sa Algarapa po. At yun lang.
Madaling kausap.
Abangan niyo po si Ray Solomon.
Yes.
Yeah.
Right.
Sir, kayo pa.
Yeah, please support the league on March 21 and 22 and then support nyo lahat ng team and hope mag-enjoy kayo. It's a very high-level competition. So, lahat kami, we will try to give our best.
Yes, all right. Perfect. Si Coach.
Yes.
Support lang dun sa all teams na kasali.
Napupunta dito.
Then, watch lang ng manood lang sila nung live.
Yes. Pwede mag-boo, di ba?
Yeah.
Wag naman.
Hindi, syempre pag-opposing team. Added motivation yun, di ba? As a player.
Right, oo. Part ng yan, part ng game.
So yun guys, watch lang po kayo ng game sa March 21 and 22. Support niyo po yung Team Oman and Qatar and also yung mga ibang teams po. Yun, enjoy po kayo.
Okay, thank you so much. And then, anybody wanna shout out? You wanna greet? Ang daming message ngayon. Babalikan ko to, kayo muna. Baka may listahan kayo dyan. Sige, si Coach. Or sige, ikaw na. Go ahead.
Shout out sa family ko dyan sa Cagayan Valley. And
Taga
sa
doon ka na.
Cavite and sa Batasan Hills.
Yes. Parang ang daming chapter
Iba-ibang
kasama ba yan?
Saka yung nag-iisang Unica Iha ko dyan sa Cavite.
So sweet. Okay, thank you so much. Culture?
So, shout out sa wife ko. Thank you sa support. Then, sa mga anak ko, Andre, MJ, Zoe, and Jacob. Then, sa mom ko sa Davao, sa tatay ko sa Cagayan.
Okay.
And then lahat ng mga friends ko from Davao City.
Yes.
And lahat ng mga friends namin dito sa Qatar.
Okay. Perfect. About you, Coach?
Shoutout sa mga friends namin dito sa Doha. Yung sumusuporta sa basketball organization ng Qatar.
Yes.
At saka sa Gio
Boss
Pares.
Gio Pares. Yes.
Then also sa mga players and coaching staff.
Okay.
Shoutout din sa mga taga-Olonga po. Then taga Mindanao sa Pagadian.
Okay.
Then also my teammates sa mga collegiate actually, ang dami kong collegiate na nalaruan school.
Nung college ba?
Nung college ako, ang dami.
Okay.
Hindi naman siguro. Shoutout dyan sa Manila, mga teammates ko, mga coaches mga teammates ko naging coaches sa college. Then big shoutout sa asawa ko, sa suporta. Sa anak ko, nasa Pagadian. Then
Sino po ba dyan? May kinilig may pumula yung pisngi.
Namula si Mama.
And also sa boss ko, kay Boss Carlo,
Hello.
Boss LDG, sa Mace Qatar, sa company namin. Salamat. And also kay
Coach.
big thanks kay Coach Joel.
Yes.
God bless po.
Alright.
Next.
Shoutout po sa family ko, sa wife ko, and then sa kids ko. Shoutout sa mga taga Antipolo, Quezon City. Then, thank you po, Boss Gio, sa pag-support sa team, and thank you po, Coach, sa binigay niyong opportunity sa team. And then,
You deserve.
thank you po sa lahat po ng sumusuporta sa Team Oman. Yun lang po.
May tanong ko kay Coach before we seal this podcast. Ito medyo mahirap ng konti.
Wag lang algebra.
Ano yung gusto mong i-impart sa lahat ng mga manonood sa March 21 about this group? Anong klaseng inspiration, motivation, or lesson ang gusto mong i-impart sa lahat ng mga Pilipinong manonood sa March 21 about your group?
Oh, good question. That was a very good question. Thank you very much. Pang Miss Universe. Okay, but seriously, siguro yung gusto ko makita nila ay yung inspirasyon na kung saan itong mga batang ito tinawag ng pagkakataon na ma-share yung stage, one of the biggest stage in GCC history, at they rise to the challenge. In a short period of time, binigay nila yung lahat ng may bibigay nila. They're coming to practice. Every other day, nagpapakita, masakit ba ng katawan o hindi. Nag-i-ensayo, pumunta sa tune-up game. So, yung perseverance, inspiration, dedication, passion, yun po ay may bibigay namin, may papakita namin sa lahat ng mga manonood at sumusuporta sa darating na Inter-GCC 7th OFW Club Championship.
Nice. Thank you so much, Coach.
Sarap-sarap pakinggan talaga.
Yes.
Talagang full spirit talaga to si Coach.
Yeah. I really admire na talagang nililift mo yung spirit ng mga
spirito.
Spirito kasama natin sa team. We wish you guys the best of luck, and let's proceed to the shoutouts sa ating comment section. Ang dami po. Okay, let me start first.
Baka buti alas 12
medyo. Si Paul Angelo Requilman Acabado, sabi niya, kondisyon yung nakaitim. Sino ba? Tatlo kayo
Tatlo.
Shoutout kay Ray Solomon.
Sabi naman ni Jade Altar, pasabi kay Andal, balik na dito sa Kuwait, hindi na kami galit. Ayun.
Pwede yun na ipa-deport.
Sabi naman ni Jovi Eric Salavante, Jade Altar, shoutout ka kay Lods Andal. And si Dave Custodio, Young Gun. I think he's talking about the first batch. Hello po sa mga idol ko, sabi ni si Yuli Matanggihan. And Dave Custodio, sino idol mo dyan? Sabi ni Paul Angelo. Ayan. Sabi naman ni Jinky, hi Trixie.
Yes. Gising na gising
Alright.
pa ang kumari ko. Hello,
Yes.
Jinky.
Okay, nice one, JC, according to Paul Angelo. Kanina to. Si Bronny De Leon yung may salamin. Who's this? Bronny De Leon.
Bronny.
Yeah. Okay, sorry. Kala, iniisip ko si Bronny James Okay, madami pa. And I hope you can find time to go back dun sa comment section
Yes, mag-comment kayo. Pwede kayong-
Replyan nyo yung mga supporters nyo.
And
Okay?
RJ Francis, may
Yeah.
pasasalamatan pa
Go
pala
ahead.
si Coach.
Okay, yun nga, unang-una yung God Almighty and of course, Boss Gio Pares responded to the challenge. Yun nga, last minute, pero yun nga,
Yes.
walang dalawang talagang walang dalawang isip na Boss Gio, grabe, pinahanga mo kami, boss. Salamat po, maraming salamat. Maharlika Park Restaurant, Bread and Butter, Classic Style, and Tapsilogan, Sir Jay. And of course, mabilisan lang ito po, RJ.
Sorry, go ahead.
Samantalahin ko na.
Yes.
Yung pinasalamatan ko, yung mga pool players na nakasama namin sa preparation. So, papasalamatan ko isa-isa. Itong mga player na ito na hanggang ngayon, na naiwan sa pool nang nagsimula kami at ngayon ay nandito lumalaban para sa ating team. Carlo Pahilagot, of course, na isa sa ating mga defensive number 3 and number 4 guy. Benji La Victoria, alam naman natin na babyface assassin. Tondia, he is the bullet of Doha, Qatar. Napakabilis ng player na ito. Ray Solomon, ayan nga, inaabangan natin lahat. King Ray Solomon, maraming salamat, Ray. Alam nyo, si Ray, isa ito sa mga nakausap ko nung nagsisimula pa lang kami. Talaga na mga wala akong masabi dyan. Buo ang puso ng tao na yan. Talagang player to watch yan, come GCC. Derek Miguel Manalo and John Wall ng Doha, Qatar. Maraming salamat, Derek Manalo. And Pusong Layon, Oliver Rojas. Maraming salamat, Oliver. Isa yan sa strength ng team. Talagang napakatapang ng player na yan. Lee Marvin Caspillo. Maraming salamat, Lee. I think perfect attendance. Walang absent to. Every time na nagpa-practice, talagang laging dumarating. Si Sir Mel, salamat po. Nakasuporta palagi sa atin. Coach Brian Tolentino, who has been on the coaching staff, na kinuha rin natin si Coach Brian na tumutulong sa paggawa ng practice plan. Behind the scene na ito na tumutulong sa team kung ano yung kanyang mga input sa coaching staff. Maraming salamat, Coach Brian. Denver Rote, who has been galing pa ng Georgia, yung bata na yan, pero kita mo, galing pa ng Georgia, fresh from Georgia, nandito sa inyong lahat, si Denver Rote. Salamat, Denver. And of course, Assistant Coach Mike Olino, napaka-dedicated nito. And gusto ko siyang kasama sa bench dahil may sinabi ako sa kanya. Alam niya agad yung gagawin. So, thank you, Coach Mike, for sharing your experience with me. Ivan Mercader, ito ang CJ Perez ng Doha, Qatar. Maraming salamat, Ivan. One of the young guns players to watch ito, si Ivan.
Yes.
One of the speed, yung magbibigay sa atin ng bilis sa backcourt. And energy coming from the bench. Si Ivan, kahit anong role ang ibigay mo, bibigyan ka ng 100% na game nito. And Bards De Leon, napakagaling nito si Bards. Talagang I've seen him grow nung nakikita ko siya nung nagsisimula pa lang until now, na talagang namang napaka-developed na player na. Bards De Leon, salamat. And John Paulo Rivera, a shooter from the outside, big man that can shoot from the outside. Maraming salamat, Paulo Rivera. Ryan Kalimpong, ayan, galing sa Canada. Si Ryan Kalimpong nandito, tumutulong sa ating lahat. So ayan, pasasalamatan ko
Thank
kayo.
you, Coach, sa tiwala, Coach.
Thank you, Ryan. And ito si Camilo Andal. Maraming salamat, Camilo. He is our go-to guy inside. If we need inside the point pace, give the ball to Camilo. Sabi nga ni Coach Mike, 1-0 pagka nilagay mo yan. Every time na meron mismatch, we're going inside to Camilo Andal. And of course, Clay Malagueño. Si Chris Clay Malagueño. Grabe, siguro hindi nyo lang nakikita yung relation namin ni Clay. Napaka professional and napaka passionate sa basketball, dedicated, and one of the foundation ng Tinoto. Talagang Clay Malagueño, maraming salamat sa iyo sa suporta, and talagang lahat, even in the coaching staff, marami siyang ini-input sa amin. And of course, JC Cruz, maraming salamat sa iyo, JC, the boy wonder, the kid wonder, na talaga namang napakagaling. Hindi po natin alam, trivia, he is a professional player for Qatar Sports Club. So, I am always giving him the admiration na naglalaro po siya, giving all his effort, all his dedication for this team, even though professional player na po siya. So, JC, napakagaling mong bata, and tuloy-tuloy mo lang yan. Thank you very much. And nasabi ko na ba lahat? Andrew Salud, of course, talagang napaka hardworking nung mamang ito. And siguro isang message ko lang kay Bruce, wala rin yung dalawang salita yan. Saan ba yan? Sabi nyo na lang. So thank you, Bruce. And Coach Randy Lazaro has been with me also. And I think nasabi ko na lahat. Boss Gio, So, sa lahat po,
Sir
namubuo
Pat.
ng team na to, Sir Pat Querido
Yes.
and Commissioner Gerald Gapa, salamat sa tiwalang binigay. And we'll see you all March 21, 22, Galapa Sports Club. Bibigyan namin kayo ng magandang laban. Salamat po.
Yes, let's get ready to rumble!
Iba pala. Ibang laban pala.
Boxing pala.
Boxing.
Okay, anybody else, Trixie? So,
Yes,
maraming salamat, Coach, by the way. That was really inspirational. Go ahead.
Yes, I just wanna say hi to everyone who's watching back home. Umaga na sa Pilipinas and nanonood silang lahat, of course. And dahil nga mga players ang ating guest for today, I wanna say a quick shout out to my coach right there, Coach Leve Hieronimo. Siya ang una nagtiwala na maglaro ako para sa
basketball,
team.
I see.
And of course, Coach Jansen from Alorica. Maraming salamat. Na-throwback bigla yung alaala.
Yeah. Ikaw, Ting.
Ayan, syempre, hi sa nanay ko na nandito ngayon.
Mhm. Dapat sinama mo dito.
Dapat sinama mo
Tulog
nga
na
eh.
kasi siya.
Bedtime na pala ni
Bedtime
nanay.
na niya. And
Okay.
then, sa lahat ng staff and crew of Maharlika Park Restaurant, SJ Events, Kai Gonzalez, Cal Gonzalez, Katrina Flores, and lahat ng mga kuya and ate ng Qatar Black Gold sa Patilla Eagles Club, OFM, and lahat ng mga nurses ng Heart Hospital.
Yes.
Thank you as well to Seska, DJ IC of Kabayan. She's also watching. Natawa siya
Hi,
sa
Seska.
Snatch. To Kristen Chi, of course, of Seichi.
Yes.
To Bea, Lynn, Jade, Lil, all-rounder po yan si Barge, sabi niya. Again, to Adrian Mayo of Qatar Social Media, who's also watching.
Always there
Thank
to
you.
support.
To Boss Gio, maraming salamat once again for giving us the venue. To Maddie Chivo, and dami pa. Grabe. To Benzil, Bragais, Malihana. Maraming
Trending
salamat. Yeah, you guys are trending. There's already a lot of comments right now. To Balmaseda family also watching. Maraming salamat po. And to everybody else who joined us tonight, may you have a great evening. Supportan po natin ang ating Team Oman.
Yes.
Representing Boss Gio Pares Qatar. March 21 to 22, 2025 at the Al Garafa. Okay, be there. The game starts at what
7
time?
o'clock.
7 o'clock ng
In the
gabi.
morning?
Umaga po.
Oh, umaga.
Okay, so you can be there
We're the
earlier.
first game.
I see.
First game, yes.
7.
Siguro,
Agahan natin.
no need magdala ng pagkain kasi meron po tayo dun ng mga stalls.
Stalls,
Yes,
perhaps,
yes.
yeah. Most
But
probably.
can they bring food as well? Para dun sa
I'm
mga...
not sure with the organizer.
Oh,
pero
sige. We'll get back to you with that one. Pero for updates, you can check out the PBAC page. And of course, visit our page, QCast. Thank you so much. Anything else, sir? Yung page mo, sir? Yung stream. Yeah.
The stream team, paki-like and
Yes.
follow, then the Overseas Pinoy Basketball.
Okay.
And of course, yung page ko, Coach Joel Pertes. Maraming salamat.
All right.
Alright.
Thank you so much. And with that said, this has been Francis.
Trixie.
And Ting of Ting Talk Show.
And of course, Team Boss Gio Pares Qatar.
Yes.
Representing Oman. Coach, maraming salamat.
Thank you po. Thank you.
And to your team, God bless you all, and may you have a safe training leading to the event, and sana bigyan nyo kami ng makahubuluhang laban sa March 21 to 22. Laban. Okay. See you again next time. Bye, guys.
Good night.
Good night.
Oops! Teka, nakita niyo yun? Wow! Heto na, ang Big 4 ng Maharlika Park Restaurant. Big 4 by Maharlika Park Restaurant. Isang napakalaking box na siksik ng ulam. Select 4 dishes from any of the following. Pansit Palabok, Chicken Sisig, Lumpiang Shanghai, Maharlika Fried Chicken, and Chicken Barbecue for only $3.99 Qatari Riyals. At eto pa, the first 50 orders will receive a free box of Maharlika Fried Chicken. Big 4 by Maharlika Park Restaurant. Small gatherings ba? Parties? Or simpleng kainan? Sagot na ng Big 4 yan. This promo is only available for takeout and delivery. Contact us at 4468-0823 and 7795-5380 and visit our store at The Center, Muntasa, Doha. Big 4 by Maharlika Park Restaurant.
Uy, uwi na. Oo, sige. Kailangan ko lang ito tapusin. Bye-bye.
Yes, ma. Opo, ito, pauwi na. Sige na, ma. Tulog ka na dyan. Bye. Love you.
Someone else to go, please.
Excuse me. Isa lang po yung in-order ko. Ay, sorry. Ikaw ba'y nakaupo dito?
Ay, hindi. Okay lang. Pwede naman na share.
Sure ka? Teka! Parang kilala kita.
After 9 years, the 7th All-Filipino Club Basketball Championship will once again be witnessed by basketball enthusiasts from the Gulf region. The OFW 7th GCC All-Filipino Club Championship 2025. OFW 7th GCC All-Filipino Club Championship 2025. Men's Division, Open League, Overseas Filipino Residents in the GCC, March 21 to 22, 2025 in Doha, Qatar. See you there.